Hey everybody, this is Herb here again, and today I'm going to be going over how I take the skin off my grapes. So after washing the grapes in a baking soda bath and rinsing them off to remove the pesticides, as grapes are the 6th most pesticide filthy items according to the Environmental Working Group, we're ready to start peeling. As dirty as they are, I usually try to keep the skin on the grapes, given that they contain Resveratrol, an antioxidant that supposedly helps lower the risk of heart disease and colon cancer. But if you happen to need to remove the skin so your kid with a strong gag reflex can eat grapes without projectile vomiting everywhere, it's pretty easy. All you need is a paring knife and a teaspoon, preferably one with a thin tip. Slice the grape in half, then with a spoon, pierce the grape between the skin and the flesh along the curve, and slowly work your way around the grape. Gradually push the spoon further into the grape as you rotate it. Eventually you'll get to a point where you can easily pinch off the skin whole. And there you have it. Let me show you one more time. Pierce the grape between the skin and the flesh, as close to the skin as you possibly can without tearing. And gradually push your spoon further and further into the grape as you rotate it. Pinch off the skin, and you're done. Ta-da! As a side note, I've seen some hacks where you sandwich a bunch of grapes between 2 plates and take a long knife and cut through the grapes and split them in half, but that never seemed to work for me, and it always created a mess, so I prefer cutting them individually. I find that my younger kid tends to eat more of these if they don't have the skin on them, so I decided to make a large pile of them so that both of them can eat them over a couple days. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.